Hey YouTube, it's Justin Hager123. I'm doing a review on my CRF 150F. Well, my Honda CRF 150F. I've had this bike for maybe about 3 years, I guess. Maybe 2 years. Sorry for the dirtiness. I was just riding in the mud. It's got brand new tires on it, maybe about half a year ago. And not half a year, maybe 3 months. And it's got the basic Honda 150cc engine on it. I'm going to get a headlight for it. That's gonna replace the front plate with the headlight plate, and I'll make a review on that once I get it, and show you how it starts. It's electric start. The only thing I don't like about it is it's only electric start. So if I'm out in the woods sometime and I run out of battery, that's not going to be good. So you just turn the key that way, and whoops. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. The battery here's for easy charging. It's got this thing back here. You just take this cap off and plug it in. And I think the battery goes right in here. Here's the gas on and off. Here's the choke right in here. And there's the key. So that's about it. Oh, well, I just put these stickers on the Alpine Star Racing supplies and Fly Racing supplies. Now that's about it. Subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye.